Well, Montana cities and towns have been on the front lines responding with law enforcement, first responders, and public health workers. But within the past week, the Bullock administration decided to greatly limit their remaining share of federal coronavirus relief funds. MTN's Mike Dennison has details.
The administration had agreed cities and counties would get $300 million in federal CARES Act money this year to help cover COVID-19 related expenses, including law enforcement salaries, contact tracers, and fill-ins for essential employees not able to come to work. But now the Bullock administration says it will be only $200 million, and most of that is already spent. The extra $100 million instead will go to grants to impacted businesses and enhanced unemployment benefits for those out of work. Missoula County Commissioner Dave Strohmeyer says the change caught local governments by surprise.
I think there's frustration across the state from local governments in terms of we had been working under a certain set of assumptions for quite some time, and to, on a dime, make a course correction here is not easy.
Cities and counties can still request reimbursements through December 31st, but for only limited expenses and likely only up to $10 million statewide. The Bullock administration says local governments weren't going to spend all of the $300 million anyways, and that much of that money paid for salaries already in city and county budgets. Strohmeyer said the state certainly calls the shots on how to allocate this money, but that he hopes enough remains to cover vital COVID-19 costs for cities and counties this year.
I guess the proof will be in the pudding as far as how this plays out in the next few weeks.
Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
Thanks so much, Mike. Now, so far this year, the Bullock administration says it has awarded $919 million of the state's $1.25 billion in federal COVID-19 relief funds.